today I thought I would just give a little demonstration or precursor to the DIY battery box that I built probably a couple years ago now. This is actually a lithium iron phosphate battery that I was actually, I did private label and sold it on Amazon for a little while. The problem is with the battery management system in it, it actually shuts off and then you sort of had to jump start it to get it turned back on. So I wound up getting a lot of them returned. And that's on me a little bit because that was an educational thing. I just didn't have that properly documented or something. So this, you can see this one's actually just dead to the battery management. So I would just have to jump start it to get it started again. But what I have is 4 of these hooked up in parallel in the battery box. So there's the 4 batteries, and then here is the charge controller, which I actually have going to the battery. It actually has the cable going to the battery, has the, okay, so here's the battery cable. Here is, that one goes to, this one goes to the solar input. So over here I have Anderson power ports in my 3D printed grommet. So this yellow one and black one, that is where solar panels should get hooked up. And then the load, that looked a little loose. The load is hooked up to a 120 volt inverter, and it actually comes over, so this box actually has a regular outlet plug-in, and then I have another connector over here. So this is the solar, and this is just Anderson power ports. This was like for 12 volt. I could connect ham radio to it or whatever. And then this is, looks like this is actually dead too. This is just USB. So I mean, it's a heck of a USB battery bank. But given this with a couple solar panels, could run quite a few things for a while. Definitely do your cell phone. The one thing that it could do would be like to do a CPAP machine. If overnight you needed to use a CPAP, you could take this outside during the day, get it charged up, hopefully, assuming it was sunny, take it out, get it charged up, and then use it for a CPAP machine overnight. So coming up, what we'll probably do is tear this, like dissect this, and go over all the parts, and maybe you could get yourselves one.